Hi everyone, welcome to our course on Wallet Kit in the HMS ecosystem. In the first part of this session, let me introduce the features, advantages, scenarios, and business value of Wallet Kit to you. Let's begin. HUAWEI Wallet Kit Passes is an open service provided by HUAWEI HMS Core. It allows users to save their boarding passes, membership cards, coupons, gift cards, tickets, and more in their mobile phones easily for future use. In addition, it enables interactions between apps and users via location-based notifications and real-time status updates. Wallet Kit has three key features. First and foremost, it provides templates for various types of cards, such as loyalty card, gift card, coupon, movie ticket, boarding pass, and access card. It also allows information about the cards to be customized based on your needs. Secondly, Wallet Kit supports multiple card addition methods, such as SMS, email, app, web, and HTML5. Thirdly, Wallet Kit is flexible, open, and intelligent. Designed for smart devices, Wallet Kit supports intelligent card selection, enables intelligent push of notification messages, and ensures accurate message delivery. Now, let's take a look at the types of cards supported by Wallet Kit. Loyalty card, movie ticket, coupon, boarding pass. The way passes are displayed is customizable. For example, as shown in this picture, varied types of information can be displayed to card users, such as background image, merchant name, card name, logo, and message. The information is stored and transmitted in JSON format. Wallet Kit enables users to save cards, as mentioned earlier, loyalty cards, movie tickets, coupons, boarding passes, and transit passes to HUAWEI Wallet. This can be achieved by clicking a button or a link that you have provided. After saving the cards, the users can view and message them in HUAWEI Wallet conveniently. The development process is as follows. First, generate a link, which is an HTTPS link that contains a base 64 encoded JWT. The JWT is generated after a user's personalized information is encrypted and then signed. A link can contain maximum of 2,000 characters. If a link exceeds 2,000 characters, a thin JWT should be used instead. Then, push the JWT to the HUAWEI server. When a user claims a pass, an instance of the user's personalized information is pushed to the HUAWEI server first. Then, a link containing a thin JWT is pushed to the HUAWEI server. The thin JWT only contains the instance ID and associated template ID. Wallet Kit supports both types of JWTs. Leveraging location-based services and AI and using a proprietary protocol, Wallet Kit provides intelligent, precise, and timely services. Working with the smart engine, it can deliver the exact services that are needed by users in various scenarios. For example, it can provide intelligent movie reminders for users so that they will not miss anything they should know about the movie. Using LBS, such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, Wallet Kit can achieve precision marketing. It also enables HUAWEI Wallet to serve as traffic entry point, helping boost movie-related business. Thirdly, it allows for precise pushing of promotion information to users based on user profiles and locations. Wallet Kit can be integrated conveniently in only 4 steps: registration, certification, service configuration, and app development. Only one SDK is used, which means less development work and a quicker service launch. Using LBS and Wi-Fi, Wallet Kit can provide timely notifications for users. For example, when messages arrive or before events start. HUAWEI HMS has 570 million of active users, covering more than 117 countries and regions around the world. By integrating Wallet Kit into your app, you will gain the upper hand for faster business growth, improved user experience, and more market opportunities. Wallet Kit has 3 application scenarios. First, Payment Wallet Kit supports both offline and online payments. Second, Passes, coupons. Wallet Kit allows users to save coupons, loyalty cards, and gift cards to Huawei Wallet. Then, they will be able to receive information such as brand marketing activities, membership interests, and changes of membership points in a timely manner. Boarding passes. This is also true to boarding passes. After adding boarding passes to Huawei Wallet, users will be able to keep track of flight status and other important flight information. Event tickets. By saving event tickets in Huawei Wallet, users can check in quickly. This helps improve service experience and simplify event management. Other passes. Users can also save driver's licenses, social security cards, and passports to Huawei Wallet. This function will be available soon. Later, I will elaborate on the use of Wallet Kit. In Chapter 2, we will illustrate how to operate a Wallet Kit. There are 3 parts in this chapter. Part 1, Wallet Kit demonstration, which helps understand the functions of Wallet Kit. Part 2, development environment preparation. You should prepare all libraries and repositories, including dependencies. Part 3, Wallet Kit integration. In this part, we will also illustrate the core code process. Let's go to Wallet Kit demonstration. 3 application scenarios will be included. The first one is pass claiming by hyperlink, which you can put into web pages, WeChat public accounts, Toutiao, or any other recommendation pages. The second one is pass claiming by email. Pass hyperlinks shall carry pass information in JWT format. The third one is pass claiming in your app. For example, when conducting promotion activities, you can provide coupons for members to claim. The first demo shows how to implement pass claiming by hyperlink. Step 1. Design a pass template. Push the template to the Wallet Kit server. Step 2. Prepare a hyperlink carrying pass information in JWT format. We have prepared a JSON file in this demo. Directly push the JSON file to the HUAWEI Wallet Kit server as a template. Then, generate a hyperlink based on the defined JWT format to push passes. Let's check the effect on a web page. We've simulated a web page for buying passes. Click Buy. The purchase success page is displayed. At the bottom of the page, the button Add to Huawei Wallet is available. Click the button. The preview page of the claimed pass is displayed. You can click View at the bottom of the page to view details of the pass. This is a complete process of claiming a pass by hyperlink. The second demo shows how to implement pass claiming by email. The pass generation procedure is similar to that in the first demo. The only difference is that you should add the hyperlink to an email. Then you can send the JWT hyperlink carrying pass information to your users by email. Now, we begin to write an email. Add pass information to the email. For example, add an image. Here is how to insert the prepared pass information. Then add the Add to Huawei Wallet button. Users can directly click the button in the mail to add the pass to their Huawei Wallet. Here's how to insert the prepared Add to Huawei Wallet button. The button must be configured with a JWT hyperlink that carries pass information. Then users who receive this email can claim the pass by clicking the button. Add the hyperlink and send the email. When receiving the email, users can click Add to Huawei Wallet to add the pass. In addition, users can click View to preview the pass information. Now, we have completed the process of integrating a button in an email for users to claim a pass. The third demo is about how to implement pass claiming in your app. In the demo app, we've simulated the pass purchase page. After buying a pass on the page, a user will be redirected to the pass claiming page. This is the page we simulated in the demo app. Tap Buy. The purchase success page is displayed, which provides the Add to Huawei Wallet button at the button. Tap the button. On the confirmation page that is displayed, tap Add to Huawei Wallet. The pass is successfully added. Then it can be viewed in Huawei Wallet. Sign in to Huawei Wallet. You can find the pass in the pass list on the homepage of Huawei Wallet. We've completed Wallet Kit demonstration, including 3 ways of claiming a pass. In a later course, we will illustrate how to call app APIs to add passes. This part describes the development preparations. There are 7 steps. Let's go through the steps one by one. Here, I will demonstrate the app-based integration method. Wallet Kit also supports web-based integration method. Both methods have the same operation procedures. First, you need to create an app in App Gallery Connect. After registering an account, sign in to Huawei Developer. Go to Console. Click the App Gallery card to go to App Gallery Connect and select My Apps. Here, add a new app. This is the app to be integrated with Wallet Kit. Here are the related parameters. The first parameter is package type. Set this parameter to APK. The second parameter is device. Currently, only mobile device is supported. The third parameter is app name. The app name entered here will be used consistently throughout the entire project. If you don't have an app, you can enter a unique package name here. In this demo, test HMS is set as app name. Next, app category. Here, select app. For the default language parameter, select English. After the app is created, you will find app secret field, which indicates the app key. Later, the key will be added to your project through a file. From here, you can see that the package name is still empty. Go back to the Develop tab page and click Overview. Then you can manually enter a package name, which must be the same as that of the package to be created for your project. Enter package name. Note that if your app provides the payment function, the package name suffix must contain Huawei. Add Huawei to your package name, for example, test HMS Huawei. Then click Save. Now you've added the app. Then you can create a project. Let's create an Android Studio project. What do you need to add to the project? First, the public key certificate, which ensures that the project is for your app rather than for other developers' apps. Second, the SDKs to be included in your project. After creating a project, generate a signing certificate, and then add the public key to Huawei Developer. Now, let's create a project. Go to File, New Project, select an empty activity, and click Next. Here, the project name must be the one created previously. Go back to the app information page and find the project name and the package name. Directly copy them and paste them here. The app name and package name must be consistent. This is a save location. Select the language. Select an earliest version. Click OK. Now the project is created. Next, let's generate a signing certificate. From the project menu, go to Build. Generate a signed bottle APK to generate a signing certificate. Select an APK. If a signing file is available, select it. If no signing file is available, create one. Select the directory for shorting the generated signature file. Here, select the directory in your project. For example, the app directory in your project. Enter a name here. For example, testhms.jks. Then, generate a signature file. Specify the file parameters. Here, set a password. This password is used to encrypt the signature file. When opening the file again, you need to enter the password. Okay, enter the password here. Set the alias for the signature file. Set it to test HMS. Also, set a password here. In this area, set the file content. Huawei is used as an example for these fields. Enter the city, state, province, and country code. If you are in China, enter CN for short. So far, the signature file is configured. Next, set build variables. Select both v1 and v2, which are signature for GR and APK, respectively. Then select release. Next, let's generate a signing certificate fingerprint. To generate a fingerprint, you need to be Java key tool and the generated JKS file. Go to the directory where the JKS file is located. Ensure that Java JDK is included in your running environment variables. Enter the relative path of the JKS file. If you are not in the directory of the JKS file, enter its full path. Now, enter the password you've just set for the test hms.jks file. As you can see, fingerprints are generated. Copy the SHA-256 fingerprint. Go back to App Gallery Connect. Paste the fingerprint in the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint test box under App Information on the Overview page and click the tick icon to confirm. So far, you've added the app project to App Gallery Connect. This can ensure that the project is not tampered with by others. Then you need to integrate the HMS SDK into your project. Let's add the Maven repository address and App Gallery Connect plugin. Open the build Gradle file in the build directory of your project and add the Maven repository address under build script in the file. Add it under all project configurations. Now you've added the Maven repository address. Next, let's add the App Gallery Connect plugin. Open the build Gradle file in the app directory and add the App Gallery Connect plugin to the file header. Next, let's configure the signature. Open the build Gradle file in the app directory and then add the signature configuration. This is the parameter name. There are several fields in config, the previously generated JKS file, the alias you set before, and 2 passwords, one of the alias and the other for JKS file storage. Then, set config under build types. Apply the sets to the debug version. In the same way, since the debug version is not included in the project, you need to add the debug version here. Then configure the signature for the project. Click Sync Now. Now let's start connecting to Wallet Kit. First, we have to complete these steps. Sign in to Huawei Developer, access App Gallery Connect, and click My Apps. Select the project. On the Develop tab, click the icon next to the Overview and choose Manage APIs. Here, we need to enable the Wallet Kit service. Find Wallet Kit and enable it. Here, the service is already enabled. The next step is to generate a public key and a private key. The public key is used for registration. When a user adds a pass to Huawei Wallet, the request will be first verified by the Huawei server using the public key. The private key is used to sign the JSON object to be created. The JSON object can be converted into a JWT string only after being signed through the private key. At the same time, the Huawei server is verifying the request using the public key. To ensure that data is not tampered with, the public key is used for registration. Here, a tool named RSAUtools is needed. We provide the tool in our course. You can download and directly run it to generate a public key and a private key. Here, the RSAUtools tool is already downloaded. Open a start bat file. In this file, run RSA using Java. Then the public and the private key files are generated. We can find them in the out directory. Here they are. The public key can be opened. We will copy it to the app we've added. The public key and the private key will be used when we register Wallet Kit later. Now, let's register Wallet Kit. Go back to App Gallery Connect. On the Develop tab, go to Earning, Wallet Key. Now we can see a pass list. Let's add a new pass. Click Apply for Wallet Kit. Fill in basic information. Select the NAP type, such as card, coupon, and ticket. Here, select card. For service item, select the first option Oversee Loyalty. Enter name. We can know the type of a pass from its name, so give it an appropriate name. Here, name the pass test card. Service ID indicates the ID of a pass. Each pass has a unique ID. Set the service ID. It consists of 3 parts. The first part is HW pass. The second part is the service name. Here, the second part is loyalty. The third part is the merchant name. Here we use test, callback URL, as the name implies. Is related to the callback function. This URL is called when a user adds or deletes a pass of this type. You can use this URL to collect information about passes added or deleted by users. Here, I will use a test URL. You can enter the service URL of your server here. Enter the public key we've obtained before. Open the public key file and copy the content. Next, set NFC information. Select yes for the first parameter and select no for the second one. Now the wallet kit registration is complete. The registration service appears in the list. We can click Modify to view its information. For example, the service ID is required for subsequent configurations. Now, let's move on to integrate the Wallet Kit SDK. First, in the app information area, download the configuration file addConnectService.json. This file contains all information required for calling the HMS SDK, such as app ID and API key. Copy the download file to the app root directory. Open the app level build Gradle file. In build Gradle file, configure Wallet SDK dependencies. Here is a Wallet Kit SDK version number. Click Synchronize Now to update the project. After the synchronization is complete, the Wallet Kit SDK has been integrated into our project. Now, we already have a development environment properly set up. Use the Wallet Kit SDK to add a pass. First, we need to submit a template in JSON format. Add the pass merchant information in the template. Then you do not need to fill in the information when sending a pass. So let's prepare a template first. Different passes have different information. On the Huawei developer website, you can check the information about each field of a specific type of pass. Here is a loyalty card and its fields. Design the pass template based on these fields, including background image of the card, logo on the card, merchant name, card name, and card number. Each pass has a unique number. There are some service-related fields, such as barcode or QR code and number of loyalty points. How can we change the file into a JSON string? To make a JSON template file, the mapping file in the JSON string column will be helpful. We have prepared a JSON file for your reference. Open the JSON file. In this file, we have defined a pass template, including the template format version number, pass version number, and pass type ID. This is a unique ID we've used when adding a pass of this type before. Now, we know where the ID comes from. The following are the template ID, organization name, and organization ID. Passes of the same type can be distributed to multiple users. We need to identify the user to whom each pass is sent. Therefore, each user should have a unique pass number. So, the serial number field is mandatory. Organization pass ID indicates the ID of the organization that issues the pass, while serial number indicates the ID of the issued pass. Now, let's see some service-related fields, such as the pass validity period, barcode or QR code, logo and background image. These fields are all in JSON format. The meaning of each field can be found in the Wallet Kit document on the Huawei developer website. Then set these fields as needed. Now, the JSON template file is ready. We should push it as required. Where should we push? To the official URL provided by Huawei. Here, the URL is the service URL of Wallet Kit. In the URL, the first part is the address of the Huawei server. The address varies depending on your location. The second part is fixed. Then push the JSON template file to this URL. In this way, the Huawei server will receive the file associated with this file when you add the pass later. To obtain a pass, you need to perform 7 steps. Step 1 is to create a pass instance. First, build a pass object, then set pass parameters. After all the parameters are set, information about the pass is stored in the object. Now, let's go to step 2. Step 2 is to convert the object to a JWT. A JWT object has been encapsulated in the code. and you need to transfer two parameters. One is object created in step 1, which needs to be converted into JSON format. The other is the ID of the pass issuer, that is, the merchant. Next, convert the JSON string into a JWT. Call this tool to generate a JWT. A public key and private key are preset in the tool. A random number will be generated as the value of a session key, which will be used to encrypt the JWT later. Configure the transferred JSON string. In the function, convert the string to a JSON object. Add the issuer's ID to the object. Then encrypt information in the object using the public key and private key. The information is the pass information. Use AES, asymmetric encryption algorithm, to encrypt the information. You have created the payload of the JWT. Next, you need to create its header, where a session key is to be stored. Use the presetting public key and asymmetric encryption algorithm to encrypt session key. The public key is globally unified. The private key is held by the HUAWEI server. Therefore, only the HUAWEI server can decrypt. Set the header and the payload through JWT Builder. The payload is previously encrypted data, and the header is where session key is stored. Compress the JWT into a user token. Sign the token using the private key and an asymmetric encryption algorithm. The HUAWEI server uses the paired public key to decrypt the JWT data and verify the identity of the developer at the same time. Return the user token and the signature. The user token is encrypted payload and header information. Note that the token contains the compressed header of the JWT. Now you have converted the data to the JWT format. Step 3 is to create a pass request to submit the JWT data. Create a request object and set the obtained JWT in object. Then obtain the client object of HUAWEI Wallet Kit through the Wallet Kit API. Create a wallet task through the client object. That is, convert the request created before to a wallet task. Submit the task. Then execute the task. You need to set 3 parameters. First one is the created task. Second one is the JWT. Third one is the ID of our task. The ID identifies a specific task. When multiple tasks are submitted, you can distinguish them through the ID. Next, you can get the task execution result, overrides the onActivity result function. The function has 3 parameters. First one is request code. Second one is result code, which indicates whether the task is successful or fails. Third is a parameter you need to transfer. Save to Android is a variable that has been defined. In this demo, there's only one task. Therefore, only the execution of this task is contained in this case section 1. Let's look at the result. The result OK means success, that is, added successfully. The result cancelled indicates that the task is cancelled. There are 2 reasons that a task may be cancelled. One is that the task is cancelled by the user, and the other is that HMS core is not installed. The 2 are general reasons. Otherwise, an error may occur. A common error is transmission failure. If data is returned, the request is responded. If the request is not responded, the task fails. However, you do not know the cause, and therefore you can only display data is none. When you get the response, you can determine the error type based on the error code. You can obtain the error code through wallet pass constant extra error code, and then display the error. You have submitted the pass through your app. That's all for this course. Thank you for watching.